A very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video of Max, Class 6, Chapter number 11, Ratio and Proportion, today we are going to see practice set number 29. Student, in this chapter, we are going to see unitary method. For the unitary method, we have to see how to find the cost of one article from that of many by division. Then find the cost of many articles from that of one by multiplication. The method of solving problem is called the unitary method. For example, cost of 3 pens is rupees 24. Find the cost of 6 pens. Solution. Cost of 3 pen is given 24. First of all, we'll find the cost of one articles. So how we will find? By division method. In cost of one pen equal to 24 divided by 3. 3 how much is 24? 3 8 ja 24. So cost of one pen is how much? Rupees 8. But now we have to find the cost of 6 pen. So what we will do? Multiplication. The cost of 6 pen equal to 6 multiplied by 8, because the cost of 1 pen is given how much? 8 now. 6 8 is how much, student? 48. So here we have done first division to find the cost of one article. Then we have done the multiplication to find the cost of many articles. So when we are using the division and multiplication, then this method of solving a problem is called the unitary method. I hope you have understood the unitary method. Now children, we'll start the practice set number 29. Question number 1 is given. If 20 meters of cloth cost rupees 3600, find the cost of 16 meter cloth. So your first statement will come, cost of 20 meter of cloth equal to rupees 3600. Now we have to find the cost of 1 meter of cloth, means 3600 divided by 20. We will do the divide to the right side of your book. So here we get the cost of 1 meter of cloth is rupees 180. But we have to find the cost of 16 meter of cloth. Now what we will do? Multiplication. Yes. So 180 multiplied by 16. Do the rough work, multiplication with the pencil. Here we get how much? 2880. Very good. Children, question number 2 is homework for you. Do yourself. And question number 3 and question number 4 is omitted. Now we will see the question number 5. A car traveling at a uniform speed covers a distance of 165 km in 3 hours. At that same speed, how long will it take to cover a distance of 330 km? Second, we have to find how far will it travel in 8 hours. Solution. In 3 hours, car travel how much kilometer? 165 km. So here first of all we will find in 1 hour car travel how much? So 165 divided by 3. So here we get 55 km. In 1 hour a car travel 55 km. But we have to find how much time it took to cover a distance of 330 km. So here what we will do? Divide. So we get how much? 6 hours. It takes 6 hours to cover the distance of 330 km. Second one is given. We have to find how far, means how much distance it cover in 8 hours. But in 1 hour the car travel how much? 55 km. In 8 hours a car travel equal to 55 multiplied by 8. Do the multiplication with the pencil. So here we get how much? 440 km. I hope you understood this sum. Now question number 6. A tractor uses up 12 liters of diesel while plugging 3 acre of land. How much diesel will be needed to plug 19 acre of land? Diesel used by tractor for plugging 3 acre of land is 12 liter. Here we have to find, to plug 1 acre of land, how much diesel is used. So 12 divided by 3 is how much? 4 liter. It means that tractor use 4 liter of diesel to plug 1 acre of land. But here we have to find how much diesel is needed to plug 19 acre of land. So 90 multiplied by 4, how much, student? 76. So diesel used by tractor for plugging 19 acre of land is 76 liter. Question number 7. At a sugar factory, 5,376 kg of sugar can be obtained from 48 tons of sugarcane. If Savita Tai has grown 50 tons of sugarcane, how much sugar will it yield? So sugar obtained from 48 tons of sugarcane is 5,376 kg. It is given. Now we have to find sugar obtained from 1 ton of sugarcane. So what we will do? We will divide 5,376 by 48. So how much we get? 112 kg. But we have to find sugar obtained from 50 ton of sugarcane equal to, from 1 ton we get how much sugar? 112 kg. So from 15 ton how much sugar we will get? So what we will do? Multiplication. 112 multiplied by 50. Do the rough work with the pencil to the right side of your page. So here we get 5,600 kg. Student, question number 8 and question number 9 is omitted. I hope you have understood this exercise and this lesson also. And thank you for watching this video.